We know that natural numbers are closed under addition. The sum of any two natural numbers is always a natural number. Are they closed under subtraction? Provide a couple of examples to justify your answer. Natural numbers are not closed under 11 minus 7 minus 4. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. 11 and 7 natural number, its subtraction is natural, but 7 minus 11 is equal to minus 4. 7 and 11 is natural number, but minus 4 is not natural.